Investing is the process of putting your hard-earned savings to work for you, allowing compound growth over time to produce you a critical mass of capital or money. I think it was Albert Einstein who said that compound growth is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. But like most things in life, there are good and bad ways to invest. And when you invest through Lexo, you stand on the shoulders of giants. People who have spent their entire working life researching and understanding why and how stock markets work. People who have won Nobel Prizes for the work they have done. At Lexo, we believe that capitalism works. And by buying into the stock market, you are buying a slice of some of the world's greatest companies, and therefore are able to participate in the profits of these companies over time. In the long term, these companies rise due to the added value the profits generate. However, in the short term, the market is affected by news and political events that occur. We invest in the world's stock markets, choosing to accept the return of the market rather than paying a city fund manager high fees to try and beat the market. Why? Because this is what the overwhelming research tells us is right. When investing, diversification is your friend. And what I mean by that is we like to buy more companies to spread your risk. At Lexo, your portfolio is likely to have in excess of 10,000 individual investments. This is probably more than 10 times you'll find elsewhere in the marketplace. We get our returns from the stock market itself, but the stock market has an unstable personality. Benjamin Graham, the teacher of the great investor Warren Buffett, referred to this personality as Mr. Market, hence the fluctuations in the market price. Now, if falls in the stock market scare you or worry you, you really need to dilute the risk, because this will happen and you will only achieve a successful investment experience by remaining invested. We reduce the risk within our portfolios by offering you a range to choose from full market exposure and hence higher risk to a portfolio with only 10% market exposure, which offers a much lower risk, more stable return. A successful investment experience is where the investor has time on their side. When investing, time is also your friend. This is why we won't allow investments for less than a 10-year term. When the market fluctuations occur, which they will, you need time to ride this out. Take a look at our portfolios, decide for yourself which portfolio closely suits your investment tolerance.